How to connect PS4 controller to PC. So there are basically two ways on connecting a PS4 controller to PC. One is wirelessly by using Bluetooth, and the second method is using the wire or the USB cable. So let's start by going wireless. First, grab your PS4 controller and make sure it is powered up. Hold down the PlayStation button with the PlayStation logo and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. You'll see the light bar on the controller start flashing rapidly, indicating it is in the pairing mode. Now after this, head back to your PC, open up the settings menu and navigate to Bluetooth and devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it isn't, click the toggle to enable it. With the Bluetooth on, click on Add Device and select Bluetooth. Your PC should start scanning for nearby devices. Look for wireless controller or something similar, which should be your PS4 controller, and click on it to initiate the pairing. Once the pairing is complete, the light bar on your controller will turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Your PS4 controller should now be ready to use with compatible games and applications on your PC. Now let's move on to the second option, or the wired connection. For wired, it is incredibly simple. All you need is a standard micro USB cable, or the kind you might use for a earphone charger. Plug one end of the cable into the micro USB port on the back of your PS4 controller and the other one into the USB port on your laptop or your PC. If you do have Windows 11, it should automatically detect the controller and install any necessary drivers. And your PS4 controller should be ready to use with compatible games and applications. So there you have it, two easy ways to connect your PS4 controller to your PC. So that's it for the tutorial video. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.